Hi, I'm Matt Sargent with ABC Acres. We're out here today in our winter grazing ground, and we're talking about using bale grazing to benefit growing pumpkins. What the hell is he talking about? If you haven't watched our series, you're not familiar with some of our historical videos, take a look at this video about bale grazing. But bale grazing is basically a way where you spread your hay bales out throughout the winter months instead of concentrating your feeding in one area to spread the fertility out. And typically when we're bale grazing, we bring the chickens in, and if we notice that the residue left behind is real thick, we come in and rake the area up. Well, this year we wanted to scale up our pumpkin production. We wanted to go no-till. We love the idea of Ruth Stout gardening, or back to Eden style deep mulch. So we stacked functions and utilized the bale grazing to get our pumpkins off to a good start. We'll take a look at our small pumpkin patch. So you can see there is some grasses starting to come in where we put this deep layer of hay and cow bedding, cow poop down, cow manure. We actually didn't put it down, we just fed the cows here. We put a couple bales down and created this nice, deep, thick, water-holding, nutrient-rich mulch that the pumpkins are loving. And then we transplanted our pumpkins into it. And you might be watching this saying, oh, what a great idea. What a great way to stack functions. Feed your cows and grow pumpkins. I don't have cows. I'm on 1 acre, 2 acres. You could use this same principle with any form of livestock. Sheep or goats would be great. We do definitely bale graze with our goats. Check this out. But whether you have rabbits or chickens, geese would be great, because if you overwinter geese, they eat hay. So you could just feed a lot of hay and don't worry about the spoilage. They're going to be eating, pooping, peeing, and then you'll have a nice, good garden patch. You could grow almost any crop in here. Sheep or goats would be great, like I said. You could even do the same thing with rabbits and kind of move around where you keep their hutch. You're going to be adding carbon to their manure anyways, and create a garden plot that way. Chickens are an obvious. You're just going to, wherever you're overwintering your chickens, you're going to be wanting to add carbon to offset the nitrogen in their manure anyways. So concentrate them in an area, add a lot of bedding. You're going to end up with a beautiful mulch. No need to shovel it all up and compost it. The soil bacteria is already there. It's on the soil. Just put some plants in it and grow. As always, if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do with them. And until next time, happy growing.